Have you ever thought about Welsh independence? Ydych chi erioed wedi meddwl amdano Annibyniaeth I Gymru? Today, we're going to debunk some myths. Myth number 1. Ni'n rhy fach, we're too small. By measuring population, we can see that there are 18 smaller countries in Europe. Being small is no barrier to success. Myth number 2. Ni'n rhy dlawd, we're too poor. The most recent figures that we have suggest that Wales has a fiscal deficit of 24%, which is the difference between the amount of tax that we put in and what we get out. But if we look closer, we can see that this figure is not all as it seems. First of all, this includes spending such as High Speed 2, a London to Manchester rail link, which doesn't benefit Wales at all. And it also includes military spending on nuclear weapons, which a small independent nation wouldn't really need. This deficit figure overlooks a lot of Wales's assets. The fact that Wales generates 2.5 times more electricity than we use means that an independent Wales could sell this to other countries. We also currently export over 100 billion litres of water to England every year, which could be worth hundreds of millions of pounds annually. Myth number 3. Ni'n gryfach yn rhan o'r Deyrnas Unedig. We're stronger as part of the United Kingdom. But is this really true? Currently, West Wales is the poorest area in Northern Europe, despite London being the richest area. We in Wales don't see any of this benefit. Wales currently has a GDP per person of under £20,000. Ireland, who have the economic flexibility of being an independent nation, have a figure of nearly £45,000 per person. With the powers of controlling our own economy, why couldn't Wales be like Ireland? This is why the UK isn't working for Wales. It's time that we took control of our own future. Let's forge ahead as an independent Wales. Os hoffech chi ddarganfod mwy, dilynwch ni ac ymunwch ar sgwrs.